Hey, what's up everyone? It's a Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be reviewing a 26-inch unit from Beauty Forever Hair, and you guys, I will be showing you guys how to get this really cute like vintage 60s style like swoop ponytail. I have seen it so much like on Instagram, but I've definitely been wanting to try this out myself and I wanted to bring it to you guys as well. I always like to stay on top of the latest hair trends and show you guys how you can achieve the same look at home. If you guys want to see how I got this look from start to finish, then definitely continue watching.
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Have to slop the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I said the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I got her open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. Someone said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. Someone said, someone said, someone said.
Till I land, have me out like a light, like a light, like a light, slept through the flight, not for the night, 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man, I still got scores to settle, man, I crept down the block, made a right, cut the lights, paid the price, niggas think it's sweet, just on sight, nothing nice, Vegas in my ice, Jesus Christ, checks over stripes, that's what I like. What we like, lost my respect. You not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like on Book, wet like on Lizzie. I'll be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm dizzy. Like where is he? No one seen him. Trying to clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with doubles in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Have me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, Pastor Dawson sell, he's sending texts and sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo. La Ferrari, it's a Jamba Juice. Yeah, we back on the road, they jumping off no parachute. Yeah, the shorty in the back, she say she working on the glutes. Yeah, by the book. Yeah, this how it look. Yeah, about to check. Yeah, just check the foots. Yeah, pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover Forbes, got these other bitches shook. Yeah.
Drive a all white rank. Couldn't hit it if niggas had iron. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost all the time. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never help your mans, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar, I'm the bar. In the sky, I'm a star. I don't fall in love cause I be loving hard. Do everything like my shirt, it's a dark. I don't care, I catch a ghost. 2 kids in 2 states, I be doing the most. I got white folks money that I won't blow. And if you let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana gold yard bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom. Big like a dinosaur did it. And you know, did it shining like a grill. Yeah, I sold dope and had cornrow. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big bank, take small. Bank account on some tall. Attitude on some you too. Bank roll on what it do. Meet me at the roulette vibe. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try.
Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank. Type of money you gon' need sight. Type of money you gon' need bank. From the hood, type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank.
She said, what you gon' do if I leave? I said, I'ma do me. B.I.G. everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in. Got my foot in the door and we still here. I'm a first generation millionaire. I broke the curse of my family not having. I'm passionate like girls that's after more than just cash and dick. Feed me to the wolves, now I lead the package. You boys all cap, I'm more Colin Kaepernick. I'm rare as affordable healthcare. Or growing the wealth from welfare. I turn my W's to M's, yeah, I flip those. I might buy a red bottoms with the crypto. 3 points, that'll pay your whole semester. But you gotta ride it better than a Tesla.
Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank. Type of money you gon' need sight. Type of money you gon' need bank. From the hood, type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I met Slim Shady, bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time, abdomen. Yes, I caught Mad Chanel and Mad Javin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bums mad again. Back to them. I lead the pack, so my back's to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Rerun, about to make these rap again. Diamond chains on my ankle. Young money in the cut like a shank out. Tell tip rubber bands on my bankroll. Show my like a stank out.
First of all, this hair is so bomb. Y'all see the vibes. Y'all already know I only wear the best of the best hair. I'm not finna review it if it ain't bomb. Like, period. And if it's not bomb, I'm finna tell you that shit is trash, my nigga. But this hair right here is so bomb. I'm giving you Scalpiana. Scalpiana in a place to be. And this was sent to me from Beauty Forever Hair. Now, what I will say is that this wig isn't the thickest wig in the world, but it does go really long. Like, I got jeans on, y'all see my stomach and all that, but this is like past my waist. Like, this hair is super freaking long, but I really freaking like my hair like this. I've been wanting to try this little swoop bang for a minute, but I just wasn't really sure like how I wanted to do it like on me. But yeah, this is like how it looks in the back. This is how long it's hitting me, like all past my booty, girl. It's long, child. But yeah, I really like my hair this way. And if you guys just wanted to know like how to get like this vintage 60s styles like swoop bang, that's pretty much how you do it without like actually cutting the hair. You do need bobby pins to like pin it down. I was thinking about getting like my other bobby pins to like pin it, but I think it's cute like this still. So, but yeah, this hair is so silky straight. It's so long. Like, it's definitely my new favorite unit. I don't see myself getting rid of this unit anytime soon. Like, this is gonna be my new go-to, because y'all know I love me some inches. Like, this is inches on inches. The only thing is just that the wig is thin, but that's what happens when you have longer hair. The longer the hair, the thinner the unit will end up being. Just like when you get bundles and you get like 4 bundles of hair, but you get like 26 inches. Those 26-inch bundles are going to be a lot thinner than like an 18-inch bundle. So just keep that in mind. The longer the hair, the thinner it may be, but you can always go up in the density. Just be mindful if you do decide to go for a thicker unit that the knots on the unit are going to be a lot thicker as well. The density, so you're going to have to pluck it a lot more. It's just a lot more work when you go up in the density. So just be, it's pros and cons to it. What I've noticed when it comes to these wigs, the higher the density, the thicker the lace front is going to be, the more work you're going to have to put in when it comes to plucking it and making it look more natural. Whereas when it's thinner, the whole wig just looks a lot more natural. So just be mindful of that. This is how my parting space is. Now, even though on camera it looks over bleached, it's not like that in person at all. It's just like a little bit blonde right here, but let me try to zoom y'all. See if I, no, it's not making a difference on camera. But yeah, on camera it makes it look like super over bleached right here, but it's not, I promise. In real life it's not. However, if you do have a unit and your knots are over bleached, I do have a tutorial on it. I did it like a year or so ago. I may do like an updated version because when I did it that time, it was like 2017, maybe 2018 or something like that. It was a really long time ago. So I think I should do like an updated version, like, cause I have like an HD camera now, whereas before I was like recording on my iPhone. But yeah, if you guys wanna know like how to fix like your over bleached roots, I do have a video on it, but I will do an updated version. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will leave a link listed down below, along with any coupon codes that Beauty Forever may have sent me. Shout out to Beauty Forever for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I'll see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.